All right, guys, welcome to another phenomenal episode of Lethal Circuit. I'm one of your hosts, Taylor, and this is your other host,
Steve.
All right, and today, Steve, I got myself the Galaxy Z Fold 4. I know you rock the Samsung Galaxy 22 Ultra, right? S22 Ultra.
S22 Ultra. Yeah.
And I'm not even gonna lie, I have that phone as well, and I've been using it, and I've been loving it. We will review it for you, but for right now, we've got the beautiful Z Fold 4. Very excited. I had the Z Fold 2, and I love that phone. It was really great. They fixed the whole issue with the folding thing and the crease in the middle and all that nonsense. So let's get into it.
Let's go.
And that's already right off the bat. It's a pretty phone. I mean, as you guys will come to find,
You went with white, huh?
I like my drip, dude. I love my drip. I love my swag.
Cream
I like
on
to
the
look good.
inside. Cream on the inside.
Okay, for the 8 millionth time, it's cream on the inside, clean on the outside.
Cream on the inside.
We're
Cream
done.
on the
We're
outside.
done. So, all right, let's get into it. Pull this guy off.
Whoa, what is that?
A screen protector? I don't know.
Dude.
Just like unwrapping a Christmas gift.
That's gnarly.
Very pretty phone. And I can already tell right now that this screen already looks more seamless than the 2. I did not have the opportunity to have the 3, so I can't really talk about that. But let's just see if we can turn it on.
Is there anything else in the box?
Let's do that. Oh, it feels right off the bat.
That's nice.
That's
That's
sexy.
nice.
This is
Is
why
it
I don't
heavy?
use, I don't use cases. That's why. Because I like.
What do
the
you mean you
way-
don't use cases?
You know I don't use cases.
You're gonna drop this and break
You're
it.
right. I'm probably just gonna use a case.
But how? Okay. How do you have a case for a phone that folds? It's just
They have them out there. I don't think there's anything else in the
I
box.
haven't seen. Hey, if you've seen a case for this phone, leave a comment down below so he knows what to get.
Oh, here it goes.
He goes through cell phones like tissue, so because he doesn't want to put a case on it.
Whatever. Okay, so it does come with a charging cable, which is nice.
Sorry.
Give me that. It feels very different than the 2. This is much more sound. Like this feels a lot more firm.
It
like
feels very premium.
Yeah, it does feel premium. So yeah. All right, we got this thing on. It's a
Okay.
pretty screen, man.
It's a huge screen. What are you gonna do with all that screen? You know what? Don't answer that. Don't answer that.
My mother's watching. Yeah, now this also feels bigger than the 2. Like just this startup thing here feels bigger. We just pulled it out of the box as you saw, so we're gonna get this phone set up, we're gonna get it running, and then we're gonna go over some really cool features for you guys and show you all the stuff. Another thing,
Does it come with a screen protector or anything, or
no, it doesn't come with a screen
you're
protector.
gonna scratch that thing like that?
We'll get to it. Oh, now I will say it's already working. Seamless, right? Looks seamless, right? I really like this feature about this phone because a lot of times you get a big screen like this and it gets interrupted, right? It gets interrupted with the camera, it gets interrupted with the thing in the middle or buttons on the side, whatever. The screens don't look really flawless or seamless. There's a camera in that screen. Can you tell?
No. You mean
Right there.
Oh damn.
Yeah.
Can't see it.
Right here is actually the camera, but they use a special screen over it, and we'll give you all the details of that. That basically hides it, so it is part of the display. So when you're watching a movie or you're using your screen, you will never see the camera. You will
That's
not
great.
see the camera,
That's pretty cool.
and it's better than It's better than I thought it was going to be. All right, guys. So that is going to be your Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 4. Beautiful phone, Kristen.
Yeah, that'll be it for the episode.
Well, wait a minute, bro.
Oh, sorry.
Is it? I wasn't finished. Can I finish?
Is it, you finish, please?
Kristen, do you think after all of that, is it lethal worthy?
It is lethal circuit worthy.
Bam, my guy.
Boom!
We definitely like this phone for you techies out there. So I personally love this phone, especially with business. We juggle a lot, and so to be able to have this just bam off the bat, really nice. So I like it. Thanks for joining us, guys. Z Fold 4, definitely worth it. Pretty phone. Good Galaxy. They've done a lot from this folded screen. So, Crispin, take us out.
Yeah, thanks for joining us here on a Lethal Circuit. If you guys like the content, hit the thumbs up. subscribe for more content. Hit the bell notification when you guys, so we get notified when we have more content coming out, which we got a lot coming out. In the comments below, let us know what you want to see reviewed, and we will get to it. So thank you guys, and we'll see you next one.